What is up then, guys? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel. So if you haven't already, we're still doing the MKATTACK giveaway. That's if you're watching this before Easter Sunday. So if you haven't entered that already, I'll put a picture in now so you can see what you need to do to enter. But yeah, we'll be doing the draw on Easter Day, so make sure you've done everything that I mentioned in the post, and then you'll definitely be entered into the draw. So yeah, sick. But anyway, today is a bit of a weird one. Today is like the prequel to the big shoot for next week, which I think I've already mentioned a couple of times is going to be sick. We're going to be working with the guy who we're going to go see now, owns the car that we're going to be taking to London, but he also owns a company called Voiceless Customs, and I'll show you in a minute that my work van or workhorse is absolutely, it's not nice. It's absolutely rancid. I'll just give you a quick peek. Just look at that. Look at that. Even got welding gloves and everything in the booth, in the footwear. I don't know how long that's been there, but yeah, I've seen his work and his work is sick. So I'm looking forward to giving this some love, because I used to think I was a detailer back when I first started getting a car. Turns out, nah, swell marks everywhere, and this guy's work is hard, because we've got lacquer peeling and little things like that. So I'm going to do a bit of a marketing video. He's going to help me out by cleaning my car. I'm going to pay him, obviously. But yeah, just another day just to get extra content out there to get the build up towards next week's big video. But yeah, if you haven't entered the Easter giveaway, make sure you do that. And anyway, let's get to your man's house. Alright then, so we just turned up at your man's house. We've probably not chosen the best day to detail in a car, but the main problems that he said he can be able to sort out is like the clear coating problem there. So you can see it's like starting to peel all the way across there. We took it for a pressure washer back in the day, and some arsehole with the world's like most heavy duty pressure washer pissed all of the clear coat everywhere. So there's a couple of other spots as well, like there, and on the boot. This was owned by one of my friends in the past, and as you can probably tell, his ex-missus loved him. And another clear coat spot there. Gonna saving your man a bit of a job as well though, because the boot doesn't open, but the inside pretty much makes up for that, because as I showed you earlier, it is pretty grim. But yeah, looking forward to seeing this all clean, get ready to go, because I'm currently driving around like a hobo. But yeah, let's do it.
I still remember when I was really free, and all the things I lived. In the midst of the things that I left, I regret for this. It won't be the same, yeah. I never felt this way, cause I want to come back and find my way, and I have to run and run away. I finally choose, yeah. Cause it feels like I'm wide awake and I'm standing in time. Now I'm disappearing, looking for life, losing the time for you. Yeah, I'm wide awake for real. I'm wide awake for real. I still remember when I was really free, and all the things I lived. In the midst of the things that I left, I regret for this. It won't be the same, yeah. I never felt this way, cause I want to come back and find my way, and I have to run and run away. I finally choose, yeah. Cause it feels like I'm wide awake and I'm standing in time. Now I'm disappearing, looking for light, losing the time for you. Yeah, I'm wide awake for real. I'm wide awake for real. Cause it feels like I'm wide awake and I'm standing in time. Now I'm disappearing, looking for light.
Right, so So he's come up to the end now. He's absolutely killing it. Like, I think it's absolutely rank, but he's telling me it's not the worst one he's ever seen. So makes me feel a little bit better, but it's still got the worst to come. But yeah, once this is done, he's got another client coming, so I'm gonna do a bit of a video for that. But other than that, that's probably pretty much today's video. It's not really the usual stuff that we do, but like I said, I'm trying to get that build up to next week's video, and I think we're going the right way around it. But yeah, if you want your cars detailing, I'll leave lots of before and after videos in there, just so you can get an idea of what he's done. But I definitely recommend it. He's sick.
I still remember when I was really free and all the things I lived. In the midst of the things that I left, I regret for this. It won't be the same, yeah. I never felt this way, cause I want to come back and find my way. And I have to run and run away. I finally choose, yeah. Cause it feels like I'm wide awake and I'm standing in time. Now I'm disappearing, looking for light. Listen, the time for you. Yeah, I'm wide awake for real. I'm wide awake for real.
There we go then, guys. So your man over there has absolutely smashed it. Look at the boot. Absolute levels. So as I probably said to you on the way here, we'll be going to London next week. I've not told him what car it's for yet, but I've already told him we're going to be making history. It's history in the making. Has anyone else ever done this build before and finished it right now?
Maybe one.
We'll just tell him no. He's the first one. But yeah, he's absolutely smashed this. I'm no longer a tramp. And yeah, absolute sick geezer. So if you want any detailing done, I'll leave all his information down in the description. He's going to be doing this next. But yeah, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.